So on the screen, I take the mouse onto the screen. When I make right click here, click on hide all. You can see all the component here will be hidden. If I make right click and click on show, now you can see it is showing all component with mesh. So before this I will go to, let's say, okay, here component is selected. Now you can see some models are highlighting in the transparent view. To change this type of view, here go to this global geometry mesh visualization, click on first option, shaded geometry. So now geometry will be highlighted in the shaded view. Here you can see some geometry, this blue color, the yellow color, and also the mesh. Let's say I will go to this solid here because we have this solid geometry. If I make right click on hide all, or you can also press H from the keyboard, hide all. Now only solid will be hidden because we have selected solid here. Similarly, if I say right click and click on show all, press shortcut key A for shortcut, show all, then the solid will be displayed. In the similar way we can also do for the mesh. I will go to element here. Now the filter is only element. If you want to show this element in more proper way, you can also click on this geometry, and here I will select wireframe mode. Click on wireframe. Now this solid will be shown in wireframe mode, or we can say transparent mode. So make right click on hide all. Now all the mesh will be hidden. Similarly, right click, show all. Now the mesh is showing. Similarly, you can also control this view from here. Go to component. So this first option is for geometry. I will click on this geometry, so geometry will be hidden. Second option is for the mesh. When I click on this, mesh will be hidden. Similarly, you can do for all these component. Let's say I will pick up this first component. I want to isolate this, so make right click on this component. Here you will see multiple options like reverse, select, isolate, etc. So when I click on isolate again, only the first component will be isolate. Similarly, you can do for any other model also. You can isolate any other component. Let's say second one, I will click, let's say show. Now both first two components are showing. If I want to show all, make right click, show all. Here go to show. So but it has not shown the show all. So press escape first to escape from this command, then right click, show all. In this way all the component will be shown. Similarly, let's say one more thing, I will hide the mesh here. So here go to element, right click, hide this. Then here I will go to shaded geometry. Right now here you can see the geometry is highlighted in the color. If you want to change the view of the geometry or mesh, here you will go to face color. Currently it is automatic, but you can also change this as per your requirement. I will uncheck on this. Then there are multiple options, 1D, 2D, 3D, then topology. We will know all these options when we go through the course. Currently I will show you the option of topology. Here go to topology. So in this topology, this green transparent will be the solid geometry, and this shaded surface will be a surface. For example, here I will go to surfaces. Here make right click, hide all. So all the surfaces will be hidden. Make right click, show all. In the similar way we can also control the view for the mesh also. For example, I will turn on the mesh here. Go to element, right click, show all. Currently the mesh here we have done is the surface mesh. If you want to see this mesh as a 3D mesh, then here go to this element handle and select the second option, display 2D shell as 3D. Click on this. Now this 2D element will be shown as 3D element. Here you can see it is showing as 3D. This will help us to check the thickness. When we apply the thickness, we need to cross verify this. So to go back to previous view, uncheck on this. So if you want to save any view for the model, then we can save it here. You need to go to this option of store view. So click on this. Here give it name, let's say this is V1, enter. And let's say I will close this window. So let's say I will rotate this to some other view. It will help in very big assemblies basically. Then if I click on this, once again go to store view, click on this V1, then model will automatically once again go back to the view we have stored. So we can store multiple views here. So close this. In the similar way, we can also see the section view. So here I will go to automatic, press escape. Then I will go to this section cut. I can also cut a section view. So click on plus. Then here you need to select the type of axis with respect to which we want to cut it. So let's say x-axis, y and z. So when I cut it with z-axis, here you can see with the cut section you can also see the inside view. And then you can also change the settings for this. For example, you can pick and drag it. So for this you need to select the flip section and then select the option of dragging. So we will get to know about all these in more depth when we go through the course. So currently I will delete this view and make an check on this, close this. So these are different viewing options.